So the next thing I want to show you how to make, again, it's probably all stuff you've got lying around at home, is a CD mobile. Now, if you've got any old discs, we hardly use them anymore. You might have them lying around the house. These are really lovely because they've got that beautiful reflective surface on them, and they're very visually stimulating and very visually appealing. So I'm going to show you mine that I made. It's very, very simple. All I've done is taken a piece of thread and I've literally tied, it's very thin thread, it's a very light colour so you can't actually see it, so it looks like they're suspended in the air, and literally just tied it round each one. And then what you can do with this is hang this somewhere where it's going to catch the light, because you can see, so I've got a window to my right here, you can see the reflections, you can see how it's spinning, you can see how it's turning. Really, really cool. All you need, scissors, some thread or cotton, some blank CDs. If you want to change it up and make it even more exciting, a bit more personalised, you might even want to paint these, you might want to draw things on them, you might want to put stickers on them. Let your child become involved. You can talk about how this looks, you know, it's shiny, it's moving, it's twisting, it's pretty. There's so many words you can use to describe this, and it's something that's really simple that took me maybe about 5 minutes to do, but you've probably got all this stuff lying around at home. And again, if you're using it as a kind of a sensory space, you know, you might have a darkened room, or you might have a dark den or teepee that you've got at home, or a little tent that your child uses. You know, having this in it with your spinning light, with your sensory bottle, you can make a really beautiful, calm and peaceful space for your child.